In this video, we're going to explore what Photoshop AI can do. Let's get started. This is the first picture I have, and we want to turn his face forward. So in the Generate field, we'll type the prompt and click the G option, making sure Gemini 2.5 Nano Banana is selected, then click Generate. It takes a few seconds, and it does a really good job. Moving on, here's another picture where I want her to have a different angle looking outward at the camera. I've pasted the prompt asking for a high-angle overhead view from directly above, from sitting on the grass looking upward at the camera. And after clicking Generate, it works really well. Next, we have a picture of a sign that says Open, and we want to change it to Closed. So we select it, type Change, open text to Closed. In the Generate field, click Generate, and it updates perfectly. Moving forward, here's another example. I have some text written here. Once you select it, click the Dynamic Text option. It automatically adjusts the text layout. If you move the text, change its size, or edit the content, the layout updates dynamically while keeping the style consistent. For image upscaling, go to Image, Generate Upscale. Switch from Firefly Upscaler to Topaz Gigapixels. Select Face Recovery and click Upscale. Resulting in high-quality detailed images even when zoomed in. In this picture, I want to add an external PNG of a table. Let's place it. No matter what I do, it still looks like it's floating in the air. To fix this, we can use the Harmonize option. Click on it and see the results. It provides several variations, all of which blend seamlessly. Choose any variation that you like. In a model picture, placing a low-quality dress image, although the dress set I've placed here isn't very high quality, in the Generate field, type the prompt, change the dress of this man, and click Generate. This result is the best one it has produced so far. Finally, to remove a second person from a photo, make a selection around them and use the Remove option, which works effectively. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs for more creative content.